Small girl and her big god escaping a hotel room through the window. Hey. They say one thing must kill a man, but a small girl and her very big god escaping through the window. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to BVI Channel 1. Because on another episode of Palava and Things They Happen, a very small girl and her very big god is escaping a hotel room through the window. Just watch this video. Imagine this man trying to exit from something that the both of them entered through the door, secretly planned. Now they are, first of all, they are exiting openly, and the people are watching. Did you see the people watching and how they are laughing? See the girl now jejely came down. The girl now jejely came down, and look at how hard it was for the man to come out from the window. First of all, this man, I'm not coming my way hammer because people are now saying many things. Are you sure that they did not do anything? Maybe they want to do fellowship. But see how the girl ran away and leave the big god? And look at how the big god is trying to exit through the window. See, they say one thing must kill a man. But imagine this man's wife catching him. Okay, what are you doing there? What are you trying to escape through the window in a hotel room? Do you know what happened? The hotel was trying to caught fire. That hotel caught fire, and you know, one thing led to another. The normal exit, they see there where it was easy through the window. You see how breeze blow, foul nyash making open. Breeze blow, foul nyash open. Imagine this man. Oh this man, oh Lord, are they shame for some people? My gender no they fear, because small girls are doing plenty things. If you see most of the small girl you know have a very big god. Look at when you talk of the big god, look at this is the example of the big god that is sponsoring. Some people say the big god are helpers, you know, but you know imagine the in-laws seeing this man, somebody's in-law seeing their brother-in-law trying to escape through the window. Oga, what are you doing there? Did you go there to do fellowship? Anyway, they always say something must kill a man, but Mekwe killing a man? Look at this smally girl, neighbor, this man. Oh Lord. But fire, why do you have to expose this man like this? If this fire did not expose this man, the people wouldn't have known. Probably the girl, who is this girl? Men, why can't you keep your blockers inside your why? Anyway, Palava no they finish. This is today's episode of something that is going on behind closed doors. Palava, you know they finish. Until I come again, do like and subscribe. However you feel, put it on the comment section. Maybe they are having fellowship. However you feel, put it on the comment section. Peace.